Okay, the very good morning to all of you, and let's start our today's session. Last lecture we are done with the practice set 1.1, question number 1. Okay, that was the activity. Now we will be starting with practice set 1.1 only, but in that we are having question number 2. So with that question we will start today. Now before starting with the question, I will try to remind you that I have told you there are many methods to solve your linear equations. Among them, the very first method was equating the coefficient method. Okay, the method was equating the coefficients. Okay, this was the method I told you last time. Now in that method you have to follow two simple steps. The very first step is to equate. Now what is the meaning of equate? Equate meaning you have to make equal, okay, any of the coefficient. Okay, you are having the coefficients of x and you are having the coefficients of y. So you select any coefficient and make it equal. That is the very first step. And the second step is to eliminate. Now eliminate means to what? Eliminate is to cancel. Okay. So suppose in both the equations you are having or you have equated like 5x minus 3y is equal to 9. Okay. Very first equation. And suppose second equation is somewhat like x plus 3y is equal to 10. Somewhat like this you are having the second equation. So what you will do, first you will see that these two coefficients, okay, are already same, 3, 3. Okay, now the second step we will follow, that is to eliminate. Eliminate is to cancel. Okay, for cancellation you should have opposite signs. Okay, cancellation के लिए हमारे पास opposite sign होना जरूरी है. So what I will do, I will search whether they are of opposite signs or not. So here it is minus 3y and here it is plus 3y. So now we are having the opposite signs. So now the rule is, if you are having opposite signs, then you will perform addition. Okay. So if opposite signs are there, then addition you will do. So you will add both the equations. And if same signs are there, then you will perform the subtraction. Okay. So in equating the coefficient method, these two simple steps you will follow. First step is to equate. It means if your two coefficients are not equal, then make them equal. Okay, उनको equal करना है. और equal करने के लिए what we use multiplication. Okay, and the second step is to eliminate. Eliminate meaning what? To cancel. और cancel करने के लिए what we will do? If our two coefficients which are same, they are having opposite sign like this, then we will add them. And if they are having the same sign, for example minus 3y is there, then we will subtract them. Okay. So these simple steps you have to remember and you are easily able to solve your very first practice set 1.1. In that you are having question number 2. So I am starting with that only. So I am starting with question number 2. We will start with practice set 1.1 and in that we are having the second question. Okay, second question, there you are having solve the following linear equations. So in that I am taking your first question. What is your first question? It is having two linear equations. 3a plus 5b is equals to 26. Okay, and the second equation is a plus 5b is equals to 22. So we are having two linear equations here. Okay, now what is the procedure you are going to follow? The very first thing, which is very simple, that you are going to do is, first you will number your equations. So the very first step that I am going to do over here is to number the equations. So 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. That is my equation 1. Okay. You can write it down in Roman numbers also or in plain numbers also. No issues. Okay. Now second one is a plus 5b is equal to 22. So this I take as my equation number 2. Then with this now, the very common starting point that you will number your equations. So I have numbered my equations. Now I will start my procedure. What is my first step? My first step is to equate the coefficients. Okay. So first I will tell you the coefficients of a which are present here are 3. And if nothing is there, then 1 is always there. So 3 and 1 are the coefficients of a. Okay, they are different. They are not same. And here coefficients of b 5. Both are 5. It means the very first step to equate same करना है दोनों को, वो तुम्हें नहीं करना है. Why? Because it is already same ना. If it is not same, then you will make them equal. Okay, but ये already equal है, तो इसको equal करने की जरूरत नहीं. Okay, then what you will do? You will start your second step. What is your second step? Your second step is to eliminate. Okay, now how you are going to eliminate? I told you, if opposite signs are there, you will add, and if same signs are there, you will subtract. So now I see that your same signs are there. Okay, same signs are there. If same signs are there, then you will subtract. Okay, subtracting. Now you decide इसमें से क्या माइनस करना है. If you want to subtract 2 from 1, 1 में से 2 माइनस करना है या 2 में से 1 माइनस करना है. I will suggest कि तुम 1 में से 2 माइनस करो. Why? Because your 3a is bigger. 3a बड़ा है और a छोटा है, 1a छोटा है. So क्या है? Easy है subtract करने के लिए. So what we will do? We will subtract. And subtracting what? Subtracting equation 2. हम लोग 2 को क्या करेंगे? हम लोग 2 को 1 में से माइनस करेंगे from equation 1. Okay, now you will say why this has written from. तो always remember जब हम लोग subtraction करते हैं, you can't write down subtracting equation 1 and 2. Wrong it is. And use नहीं कर सकते. Okay, in boards also you are going to lose half mark for that. So जब भी हम लोग ये subtracting use करते हैं ना, so at that time you have to write down from. Okay, दो equations के बीच में from लिखना है एंड प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में लिखना है किसमें से क्या माइनस कर रहे हैं. सो हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? हम लोग 2 माइनस कर रहे हैं किसमें से? 1 में से. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव रिटन सबट्रैक्टिंग इक्वेशन 2 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1. 1 में से 2 माइनस किया. ओके, सो आफ्टर दिस आई विल राइट डाउन माई इक्वेशंस. 3a प्लस 5b is equals to 26. Then a plus 5b is equals to 22. Okay, what we are going to do? We are going to do the subtraction. Okay, so subtraction के time पे what we will do? Now carefully look here. Okay, at the time of subtraction always remember जब भी हम लोग subtract करते हैं ना, तो जो दूसरा नंबर होता है, जो दूसरा पॉलिनोमियल होता है ना, दैट पॉलिनोमियल चेंजेस इट्स साइन. ओके, उस पॉलिनोमियल के सभी साइन चेंज हो जाते हैं. सो हियर ऑल्सो दिस इज योर सेकेंड इक्वेशन ना. सो ये सेकेंड इक्वेशन का हर साइन चेंज होगा अगर तुम क्या कर रहे हो? सबट्रैक्शन कर रहे हो. एडिशन करते तो कुछ नहीं होता, बट वी आर सबट्रैक्टिंग दिस. सो सबट्रैक्शन के टाइम पे व्हाट विल हैपन? सबट्रैक्शन के टाइम पे इसके सारे साइन क्या हो जाएंगे? चेंज हो जाएंगे. So this is plus a, right? Plus a. Then this will become minus a. Okay, so I will make a bracket around this. This is plus 5b. Now it will become minus 5b. And this is plus 22. It will become minus 20. Okay, so these are your changed signs. ये change sign है. तो जब भी अभी हम लोग ये कैलकुलेशन करेंगे इधर का कंप्लीट, then what we will use the changed sign, these signs which we have changed, those signs we are going to use. So let me show you how. Okay, so now I will read 26 minus 22. Okay, not 26 plus 22, wrong it is 26 minus 22. Okay, simple, 26 minus 22, so 4 I am going to get. Okay, I got 4 here. Now this is plus 5b and this is minus 5b. So plus and minus 5b got cancelled. Now remaining with this 3a minus a, that is 3a minus 1a. 3a minus 1a is 2a. We all know. Then multiply by 2 becomes divided by 2 over here. Now a is equals to 2 I will get. So I got the value of a here, and what is the value of a we got? The value of a is equals to 2. So the value of a we got equals to 2. Now remember, whenever we are writing equal to sign, you are seeing over here that I have written it in a single, like in one row I have written it. Okay, you have to write it just below one another. So equal to sign एक के नीचे एक आना चाहिए, एक equal to यहाँ पे, एक equal to वहाँ पे. This is not going to accept it. Okay, so equal to you have to write down one sign, then just below that sign you will be writing your another equal to. Here also if you are writing therefore, then make sure you are writing all therefore in a single line. Okay, these all things are going to be seen in your boards. So remember all these things. Now we got a here. One of the variables value we have got, a का value मिल गया है. Then it is very easy to get value of b. So for that what we will do? We will just follow the second, that is the last procedure, and that is to substitute or to put. Okay, so what I will do? I will just substitute. Okay. Now what you will substitute? You will substitute a is equals to 2. Okay, a is equals to 2. In any equation you can substitute. In equation 1 also you can substitute. In equation 2 also you can substitute. But if you will take my opinion, you choose the equation which is smaller or the equation which is easier to solve. So in my opinion, this equation is very easy to solve. So I will choose this. So in equation 2 I will substitute this. Okay. So now let's start substitution. In place of a, what I will substitute? I will substitute 2. Then plus 5b as it is equals to 22. So in place of a only I have substituted 2 over there. Now plus 2 becomes minus 2 there. Okay, plus 2 becomes minus 2, then 5b is remaining. 22 minus 2 is 20. Into 5 becomes divided by 5. Then the value of b is equals to 4. So value of b is equals to 4 we got. So now both the variables we are having, it means the solution of our linear equations we have got. So how you are going to write down the solution of your equation? Final answer, brackets. Okay, 2 brackets you will put, round brackets only, no square bracket, no curly braces. Okay, only and only round brackets, comma. Okay, here you will write down the value of a, that is the very first variable, a, then b. Okay, don't change their positions. Now a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 4. Okay, and you will write down is a solution of given linear equations. Okay, is the solution of 2, 4 is the solution of our given linear equations. Okay, I hope you all have understanding how I have solved this example. Again, I will tell you the steps. First, you will number your equations 1, 2. Okay, then what you will do? Then you will start with your steps. First step is to equate. Okay, equate means what? कोई भी एक coefficient को equal बनाओ. Okay, if that step is already given over there, then skip that. अगर वो already equal है ना तो उसको skip करो. Then second step is to eliminate. Okay, second step that you will follow is to eliminate. Now how you are going to eliminate this? Either you will add or you will subtract. Okay, then when you will add, if the different signs are there, opposite signs are there, if one is plus and another is minus, then you will add. And if both are same means both are positive और both are negative. अगर ये दोनों भी positive है और या दोनों भी negative है, okay, then you will subtract. और किसका साइन देखना है? साइन देखना है जिसका कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल है, okay, उसका साइन देखना है और किसी का नहीं. And then after this, whatever the value of variable you are going to get, that variable's value you will substitute in any of the equation 1 or 2, and you will get the another variable's value, and you will write down your answer like this. If you are not writing this, then also you are going to lose your half mark. So make sure to write down your answer like this. Okay. Now let's start with the next example. Okay, next example is your second example. So let's start with that. What is your second example? Your second example is x plus 7y is equals to 10, and in that only you are having the second equation, that is 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. Okay, so two linear equations you are having. The very first step is to number your equations. So I start numbering my equations. That is your second question. That is x plus 7y is equals to 10. This is my first equation, so I will number it first. And second is 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. That is our second equation. Okay. Now let's start our procedure here. Okay. What is the procedure you are going to start? As I have told you, the very first step is to equate. Okay. So let's start. What you will search, here the coefficient of x is 1 and here the coefficient of x is 3. Okay, so you have to make them equal. Okay, either make it equal or make the coefficient of y equal. कोई भी किसी को भी equal कर सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ x को ही कर सकते हैं. Okay, but जो easy है to equate, that you choose. So here it is very easy to equate this. Why? Because इसको equate करने जाएंगे ना तो problem ये है कि इसको मुझे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा और इसको मुझे 7 से करना पड़ेगा. मतलब मेरे को 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. दैट विल बी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट वी विल डू, जो टाइम बचाने वाला है वो है इसको इक्वल करना. ओके, मतलब क्या, ये ऑलरेडी 3 है. सो अगर मैं इसको 3 बना सकती हूँ तो कैसे बनाऊंगी इसको 3? आई जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई दिस विथ 3. ओके, व्हाट आई डू, मैं इक्वेशन 1 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगी. ओके, इक्वल बनाने के लिए. तो हमारा पहला स्टेप चालू है. दैट इज वी आर गोइंग टू मेक इट इक्वल एक्स के कोएफिशिएंट को. तो इसको इक्वल बनाने के लिए 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. इसको कुछ भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज वो 3 ऑलरेडी है. सो इट इज वेरी इजी टू इक्वेट दिस देन दिस. ओके, तो मैं इसको इक्वल कर रही हूँ. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट आई डू, फर्स्ट आई राइट डाउन मल्टीप्लाइंग equation 1 by 3. Okay, and let me tell you, only multiplication is allowed. अगर तुम्हें कुछ भी इक्वेट सेम करना है, देन ओनली द थिंग दैट यू कैन डू इज मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो मल्टीप्लाइंग इक्वेशन 1 by 3. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस. इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय x प्लस 7y is equals to 10. Okay, you will multiply this whole equation by 3. Okay, now start. 3 into x, 3x. 3 sevens are 21. 3 tens are 30. Okay, done. Now what happens? This equation we have multiplied with 3, so now it has changed. ये equation change हो गया. Okay, and this equation now changed to equation number 3. ये जो one equation था ना, that has now changed. And it changed to what? Equation number 3. नया equation आया ना, so you have to number that also. So this is your equation number 3. So मतलब क्या है? There is a variation. First example में your coefficient of y was already same. तो हमने ना ये वाला step नहीं किया था. कौन सा? Same कराने वाला. Now in this example, none of the coefficient were equal. कोई भी coefficient equal नहीं था. तो मैंने पहले इसका कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल कराया, कोई भी एक का करा लो. ओके, दैट आई हैव डन एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स आई हैव नंबर्ड दैट इक्वेशन एज इक्वेशन नंबर 3. सो रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस 1 इज चेंज टू 3. 1 इक्वेशन 3 पे चेंज हो गया. ओके, सो अभी इस सम में 1 का कोई पार्टिसिपेशन नहीं है. आफ्टरवर्ड्स वी कैन यूज, बट अभी सेकेंड स्टेप में इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू पार्टिसिपेट. ये इधर चेंज हो गया है. सो सेकेंड स्टेप में एलिमिनेट में ये पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर सकता है क्योंकि ये मॉडिफाई हो गया है. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द सेकेंड स्टेप? सेकेंड स्टेप इज टू एलिमिनेट. तो चलो उसमें मैंने क्या बताया था, दैट इफ ऑपोजिट साइंस आर देयर यू विल ऐड, इफ सेम साइंस आर देयर यू विल सबट्रैक्ट. सो लेट्स सी. The coefficient which I have equated are 3x, 3x. Okay, you can see it over here. Okay, these two are your equations. Just look at these two equations. Now these two equations, plus 3x is there. Here also plus 3x is there. It means both are having same sign. Same signs are there. If same signs are there, what you always do? You always do the subtraction. So here I will write down subtracting. Okay, now from what you will subtract what? Quite easy. See here, it is 21 bigger one, it is minus 2 smaller one. So अगर हम लोग 3 में से 2 को माइनस करेंगे ना, that will be convenient for us. Also here 30 में से 7 को माइनस करेंगे, convenient for us. So what we will do? We will subtract equation 2. Okay, equation 2 from 3. 3 में से 2. So that's why equation 2 from 3. 3 में से 2 को माइनस करेंगे. Okay, so this from वाला क्लॉज है ना, from मतलब जिसमें से माइनस करा लो. So from 3 we are subtracting 2. So what I will do? 3 में पहला लिखूंगी, जो बड़ा है वो पहला. So that is 3x plus 21y is equals to 30. Okay, that I have written. Then another equation, 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. Now after this, since हमने subtraction किया है, so subtraction meaning what? Subtraction means the sign of the second equation changes. So this equation will have the changed signs. So this plus 3x becomes minus 3x. Minus 2y becomes plus 2y, and plus 7x becomes minus 7x. Okay, so I have changed the signs. Plus changes to minus, minus changes to plus, plus changes to minus. Okay, now I will read it like 30 minus 7. 30 minus 7 means 23. Okay, then plus 3x minus 3x got cancelled. 21 plus 2y. 21y plus 2y will get 23y. Now the second step would be y remains as it is, into 23 becomes divided by 23. So y is equals to, guess what will be the answer? Obviously it is going to be equals to 1. So we got one of our variable here by subtracting. Then the last step, you all know it is substitution. So substituting y is equals to 1. Now choose, you are having 3 equations right with you, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 equations you are having. So you are having 3 choices. Choose the choice which is convenient for you. Okay, जो तुम्हारे लिए easy है, that choice you choose. So what I am choosing, equation 1, that is quite small to substitute. So substituting y is equals to 1 in equation 1. So equation 1 में डालते हैं. Okay, now just pay attention. X I am not having, so x I am writing as it is. Then plus 7 multiplied by 1. So in place of y, what I have substituted, 1 equals to 10. Plus 7 becomes minus 7. 3 is the answer. Okay, so therefore x is equals to 3. Your final answer is x is equals to 3. Now you will just put a bracket, round brackets, and in that you will write down your solution. Okay, solution is x comes first, 3. Then comes y, 1. Okay, so 3 comma 1. If you are writing 1 comma 3, that is wrong. Why? Because 1 is the answer for y. So that you will write down only in the second piece. So 3 comma 1 is a solution of given linear equations. Okay. Now obviously बहुत से लोग के मन में एक डाउट आया रहेगा that what is the solution actually. Okay, so what is the solution actually? First equation you are having, okay, and second equation you are having. So ये जो दो equations है ना, linear equations है. Why I am calling them linear? Why? Because जब भी हम लोग इनका ग्राफ निकालते हैं ना, ग्राफ पे इनको प्लॉट करते हैं, what we get always, we get a straight line for that. So suppose this equation I got line like this. Okay, ये equation का ऐसे कुछ line मिला ग्राफ पे when I plotted the points. Second equation का ऐसे कुछ ग्राफ मिला. Now these two lines they are intersecting each other. You will see this. Okay, तुम लोग ग्राफ पे ये कर सकते हो. Okay, I also show you the graphical method. उसमें ये prove हो जाएगा. But till that time you just try to visualize, imagine ये दो जो lines है ना, they are intersecting each other and they are going to intersect. Okay, वो intersect करेंगे और intersect जहाँ पे करेंगे ना, ये जो point है, that point is your solution. Okay, इसको मैं solution बोल रही हूँ, वो ये point है. What is that point? 3, 1. Okay, so what is your solution? Where your two lines